Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can disable recently closed tabs from your Safari web browser. As you can see, when we open Safari web browser, on the front, we will see this tab called recently closed tabs, in which the list of the websites you have previously closed will appear below. So how can you disable this? Of course, you can click clear all, and this will clear. But every time you close a website, this will again appear. So how can you permanently get rid of this? So yeah, let me show you guys. So first, let's assume that you are in this page, and after you close this page, as you can see, I will close this page. After this, you just click this cross, and as you can see, the page will appear on this list. So how can you close this process? So what to do is just tap the edit button here, and after that, as you can see here, recently closed tabs, you just need to uncheck this, and after that your recently closed tabs will disappear from your Safari homepage. So yeah, that's how you close this.